Hi everyone, welcome back once again to another brand new video. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of one website which I have created for nutrition expert. This website is so amazing that it will help you to generate lead if you are in the field of nutrition. It will help you to grow your presence on digital platform. Your clients can visit your website, they can book an appointment, you can share your product, you can share your knowledge, you can do a lot of things right on your website. So enough of talking, let me take you to my computer screen and show you the website which I have created for nutritions. It has all the feature and functionality which I'm going to show you right in the video. So let's jump into my computer screen and let me show you that the website which I have created for all of you, those who are watching me, nutrition experts. So let's start the video. So as you can see that you are into my computer screen, this is the website which I have designed for nutrition expert. I will provide the link of this website in the description so you can easily come to this website and you can check everything by yourself. I have tried my best to keep all the feature and functionality which actually required for a nutrition expert for providing consultancy, for selling their books, or for providing any kind of videos and audios content to their users. That's all included in this website, so you can easily come to this website and you can check everything by yourself. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough about the designing, about the feature which I have included, about the call to action which I have added. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. And before I start the video, I want to tell you one thing, that this website is fully customizable. You can easily customize each and everything in this website as per your requirements. Whatever you need, that's all is customizable, and I have decided in that way. So let me give you a walkthrough that how and why I have designed in this way and what are the features I have included in this. So once you click the link in the description, you will come to this website, and as you can see, this is the top bar of the website. Here I have kept the logo. You can easily change your logo, and here I have tried to include 5 menus. You can include more menu, and here is the small search bar. So if you want a search bar, you can add it or you can easily replace it. So if someone's want to search anything, like if they are searching for a product or articles, they can do from here. I have included 5. I kept the background transparent because like it was going with the designs looking good. So you can easily have background color or background image, is all up to you, it's customizable. And here, this is the hero section. So here what I have done, here I have added this image. So if you are a nutrition expert, you definitely want to promote yourself, you want to tell the people that you are the owner of this website and this is what you offer. So whenever someone's come to this website, so here you can easily display your image, and even you can change the color of the background. But make sure when you change the color of the background, you have to keep, like, you have to maintain the color. In that way it will help you to grow your brand. So whatever your brand color, you have to match according to that. So this image is easily can be replaced and as per your. And here I have added some of the text which you can easily replace by your requirement. And as you can see here, I have given a like call to action button, like go to my program. So what happened in nutrition website, like you are opening a nutrition website where you offer something, you offer your program, whether it's workout program, nutrition program, or maybe you are providing online consultancy. So you let the people know that you are providing this options, you are providing this course or this program. So that's why I have keeping in mind, I have designed this call to action button. So if they really like your website and if they are already engaging with your content, they can easily click on this and they can see your program, that what are the programs you are offering, that I'm going to show you in the later part of this video. So this section is fully customizable. Now let's come to the second part. This is the second part of the website. So here what I have done, here I have tried to provide a free ebook to the people who visit my website. As you can see here, I have explained about the PDF diet book which I'm going to provide, what are the benefits. I have given a little bit description, and here I have provided a call to action button, get recipe. So whenever they will read this benefit and if they wants to get this recipe, they can easily click here and they can download it. And you have to design your recipe in such a way it's related to your website, where you are promoting yourself, you are explaining everything step by step. And when you're designing your recipe book, you have to keep one thing, that you have to just promote yourself in that recipe book. That is all the motive, because you have to increase the recall value. So keeping that thing in mind, I have provided this recipe section here. So if you scroll down here, you can find that here I have also added 3 call to actions. So this one you can easily customize, like if you want to provide breakfast recipe, salad recipe, you can do that as well. Or even what you can do, even you can link this place to the articles you have on your website. Like you have written an articles about how to lose weight, you can promote this here, and you can change this text, and the people can click and they can easily visit that article page and they can read that. Why that's why I have keeping this mind, because you will also get traffic on your articles through this. So let's come to the third zone. So as you can see, new approach to health and fitness life. So this section I made it specifically because here I'm going to provide some of the feature which we as a nutritionist provide to the people who really wants to take our consultancy. So here I'm going to highlight all the features. So that's keeping in mind I have designed this section. As you can see, group coaching, 20-day challenge, one-on-one consultancy. If they want to know more about it, they can easily click here and they can know more and they can read more about this, that what are the things you are providing in each of this section. And if they like, they can easily join your program. As you can see, I have, just for letting you know, I have added this go to program section where they can find all these things. So that's why I have designed this on a home page. So let's come to the fourth section. So this is the fourth section. What I'm doing here and why I have created this, I have created this keeping in mind that you can also do an affiliate marketing. Suppose if you want to promote any diet book on Amazon, or maybe you want to sell your own book, you can just list it here and you can just give a little bit discussions that what they will get in that book, and if they really want to buy, they can buy from your website, or you can send them on Amazon and you can get affiliate commission from that. So I have included the feature of affiliate marketing in this website also. So let me go to the fifth section. So here I'm trying to promote my article, my programs, and even you can promote your testimonials here. So here I'm trying to make it more personalized to my visitors. As you can see, I have written individual nutrition for you. So if they want to know anything about like, I can easily display like diet books, or how to get less, how to lose weight and how to gain muscle. So these articles I can easily display here, and if you want to see more articles, they can click see more and they can just read what are the articles, what are the programs I have. So again, I'm just trying to promote my program. That's my main thing, because this is how I'm going to generate money for my clients. So all the time you have to keep in mind that whatever section you're going to design, you have to design in such a way that you're going to promote your product which you are providing, whether it's consultancy, whether you are selling any diet book, or you are providing nutrition solution. You always have to promote that in all these designing and all this through the content. So when you scroll down here, the sixth section, here again I'm just promoting one of my articles and recipe. I'm just displaying, if they want they can get it by now. And here I'm just displaying the testimonials, which is very important, and I must tell you that you always display testimonial on the front page, on the home page of your website. And here is the footer section. I try to keep the footer section as simple as it is. So as you can see, join hundreds of healthy peoples, and here I have provided call to action. So if anybody wants to join your email list, or if they want to just register into a website, they can click here and they can easily register in your website. So this is the reason why I have designed this homepage in this way. I try to promote my program, my blog post. I'm talking about my consultancy, what are the feature and functionality I'm providing. If they take my subscription programs, I'm promoting the ebook, affiliate marketing, again promoting blog, again promoting recipes, and here I'm just letting the people to just join my community. So this is the reason why I have designed the homepage in this way. If you go to the program section, so I have designed the program. Just let me open the page. So currently at this moment I'm displaying one program. You can have multiple program. As you can see, group coaching, I have written the price. I've explained about that what is group coaching. If they want to join, they can easily sign up today, and here you can display all the feature that what they will get in this programs. And here again I have tried to promote my blog post, because that is the main reason, because in that way I can able to generate traffic to my website blog post, so they can read about that, like healthy shopping, 5 best superfood, 30 days dinner plan. So if they are interested in any one of these, they can easily click and they can check those all things. and here I can display the result of my clients, like programs and trainings, happy clients. It's fully customizable as per your requirements. And here again, I'm just talking about that what they will get if they will join our program. So here I will give a little bit just description about it. And here I have added some call to action buttons, that if they want to join or they want to have a one-on-one conversations, so they can easily take my consultancy by emails, my phone number, or here I have added the social media icons following, so they can click and they can visit my social media profile and they can follow me there. So as you can see, again I have tried to display the testimonials, and again at the bottom I try to include sign up button now. So this is what we have to keep in mind, that we have to design the website in such a way that we have to promote our product and service through various design, through various pages. So this is how everything would be done. If you go to the recipe sections, let me take you through there. So this is like, so here I'm trying to take them to get into my system. I want them to register for getting this recipe. I try to provide different recipes like group coaching, 30 days challenge, consultancy. You can change this as per your requirement, like whatever you want to display you can do that. Whether you want to provide recipe, whether you want to provide about your services, you can do. And here I have call to action. Here as you can see, it's beautifully animated. Like again I have displayed the recipe, like again I'm displaying the recipe. You can display all the recipes which you have to your visitors, and if they like, they can easily download any one of these. So this is the recipe. And at the bottom, one thing again, at the bottom I'm trying to sell the product. Like here I'm doing affiliate marketing. I'm trying to drive traffic to any of the product on Amazon, and if someone's click here and someone's buy from Amazon, I will get commission. So this is the recipe sections. Let's go to the testimonials. And testimonials is very important. Whenever you create any kind of website, you must create testimonials, because that will give you extra push to your visitor to get into your systems. Like as you can see, again I have tried to provoke them happy and breathe a healthy lifestyles. Again I'm just writing a little bit about it. Again you can just same call to actions, and here I'm displaying the testimonials of our clients. And here I have added benefits, healthy and happy energy. So it's all up to you what you want to display. I just try to display this thing because once they join my program, what are the features they will get? So they will get health, happiness, energy, and you can add this little bit text about it. Then you can showcase the result of your clients, that how many clients you have, happy clients, kilos, that's all you can think. And here you can display of those people who are popular, they have said good things about you, or even if you have a multiple trainer on your website, you are not the only one. If you have a multiple people, so you can display about them that they also contribute to this website. And again here I try to push the visitor to join my program. That's why I have added call to action buttons. And here at the bottom I just try to book your 3 consultation. And here I try to again add a call to action, book your free consultation. So if they want to join or want to have one-on-one consultation, they can easily just email me, call me, and they can follow me in any of the social media profile. And here about me section. So this is the about me section. Here again you can display yourself, and here you can just write your name. Here you can mention all your social media profile, because if they wants to know more about you or they want to visit your social media profile, they can easily click any one of these and they can visit. And here again I'm trying to promote my books, my client review, my recipe. In this way what I'm doing, I'm trying to increase my authenticity in front of my visitors by sending them on those places, to my articles, to my review sections. And here again I'm trying to promote a books through my affiliate. If I want to have a book on my own website, I can promote that as well. So as you can see, buy on Amazon. And here I have added the list of blog posts which I have on my website. So if they want to see all the posts which you have written, they can easily visit your blog and they can read everything completely, or they can even read from here also by clicking this side. And again I have tried to display the testimonials, which is very important. And here I have added a call to action buttons, like join hundreds of healthy people, subscribe now. So I have added call to action buttons. Even you can display a form right up here like this. So let me show you the form. So if someone's click on subscribe now, they will land up here and they can easily create their username, email ID and password, and they can create an account, and they will have their own dashboard where they can manage everything. So this is the about me sections, and this is contact me. Let's check the contact me section. So again, what I have done here, I have displayed the, you can display your own image, you can display your social media icons, you can write the most popular question which people are asking related to health and nutrition and maybe related to your website. So you can easily write those questions and you can answer all them, and anybody wants to know anything like what's the best diet for to follow, you can click and they can read about it. So here I have, you can add all the questions which people are asking, so you can easily display the questions here. Again, I have added a call to action button, so if they want to contact me, they can click and contact me. And as you can see, again I have added this subscribe now button. All the time what we have to do, that we want the people to subscribe to our email list, to subscribe to our website, so we can provide them our content, or we can do a lot of things like email marketing once they are subscribed to our system. So we can do a lot of things. So that's done the part of this tutorial. I will make a separate video that how you going to do market of this website. Creating as a website is okay, but doing marketing is more important. So that's pretty much of this website. You can check this website completely, it's fully customizable, and you can easily do anything on this website. You can sell your product, you can provide consultancy, you can do affiliate marketing, you can do courses, you can take one-on-one consultancy, a lot of things you can do right on this website. So that's it pretty much. I hope you would like this video. If you are nutrition, you must have your own website. You have no idea that how much add-ons it going to add in your career. Like, it will help you to grow in amazing way. As you can see, due to this pandemic, a lot of business are getting shut down, everything's coming online, and that is why you have to use this website for your growth. You should have your website, you can list out all the services which you provide, so the people can visit and they can check what are the things you are providing, and if they like, they can book an appointment with you, they can have your consultation, and you can able to sell your own products, or a lot of things you can do right on this website. So one thing I would like to say, that if you are interested in building this website, or if you want me to build you this website for you, so do let me know and write down in the comment section. We can have a talk and I will help you in building your website if you really want me to build this website for you. So do let me know, we can have a talk on this. I hope you have liked this video. That's it. Bye bye, see you next time. Have a great day.